Hi guys, this is Yani. So today I'm doing a review on Duplicate Dave, also known as Legendary Marketer. And for those of you who don't know or who have never heard about it, it's a high ticket program which means that they have a value ladder of products. They have lower tier products and higher tier products. The lower tier product starts at around $30, where the higher tier product would go up to $30,000. And any product that you sell within the system, depending on the price of the product, you earn commission on. So you can make 2, 3, 4 sales per month and make anything between 5 to 20,000 and more for yourself, which I think is a really good extra income for yourself. The program has two sides to it. The one side is that it's for beginners like myself who didn't know much about online marketing. And you can just duplicate the system. And what I mean by that is that they've got everything done for you. It's like a business in a box. They've got the sales copy, the sales banners, the sales ads, the video ads, the scripts, the follow-up emails. They've got the funnel with the capture page, landing page, and checkout page. Everything is done for you. The only thing that you have to do is you have to drive traffic to these ads. And once people join the system, they get access to all the training, the tools, and the resources that will show them how to, where to put the ads and also how to drive traffic to the ads. And then the other side of the program would be for more advanced marketers who would like to upscale and grow their already existing business or product or name brand. Or just take their marketing strategies to the next level. So I think this is a really good opportunity. My baby is crying, so you have to give me 5 minutes. Hi, I'm back. This is Michaela. She's only 2 weeks old. And actually, I'm so glad that she's awake now because I was just going to say that the reason why I choose this system is because I only have a very limited time per day. And for me to just duplicate the system and make extra money for my family and provide extra income for them is just awesome. I have 2 children. My oldest is 2.5, and then I've got Michaela. She's only 2 weeks old. Yes, I gave birth only 2 weeks ago. So I'm a really busy mom. I'm also working full time. And if I'm not working, I'm breastfeeding. And if I'm breastfeeding, it means that I'm not sleeping. And if I am not doing that, I am attending to my 2.5-year-old and my husband, and then also doing the duties of a mom, like cleaning house and cooking food. So I'm really busy. And that's why I think this opportunity is awesome, because I have limited time per day and I can really just use like 30 to 60 minutes per day to try and drive traffic to the Legendary Marketer ads and earn money while I enjoy life with my family and attend to my very, very newborn baby. Hi, I'm back. Sorry I had to leave you there for a while, but I quickly had to feed Michaela and put her down for a nap. So anyway, now that you know why I choose to leverage this kind of system, I also want to say that you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to start your own business from scratch. You can if you want to, obviously, but then you have to invest into books and courses and go to seminars, or you can even, if you really want, you can source your own product from China and then sell it on Amazon. But the problem is you need time and money, which most of us do not have. And so why not invest into a system where everything is already in place for you? So they've got a sales team, they've got who makes your sales for you. So once people join the system, you've got a professional sales team and coaches that will make your high ticket sales for you. You've got customer support that will help the people if they need any help. You've got the website, you've got courses, you've got the value ladder with the high tier products and the lower tier products. You've got technical resources for the software that you will use, you literally have everything. And the only thing that you have to do is that you have to drive traffic. The rest is done for you. So it's a 10%, 90% deal, which I think is awesome. Yes, of course, everybody earns commission, a little bit of commission. So I think, as far as I know, the one that drives traffic, earns 40% on, let's say, on a product that's being sold. So you earn 40% of the amount. The online coach and the professional sales team, they take 20%, and then legendary marketer takes 40%. So I think 40% on a product which you sell is amazing for what you have to put into it. So enough said about that. Let me quickly show you my back office, and then just give you a small a quick introduction to my back office and what it's all about. So if you click on home, you will see that there is a video of Dave Sharp, and it's basically, he just introduces himself, who he is, where he comes from. And if you don't know him, I would suggest that you Google him. He literally started this business from scratch. He is the owner and the founder of Legendary Marketer. And let me quickly show you a short clip of this video.
Hey my friend, this is Dave Sharp, and welcome to Legendary Marketer. This video, I'm going to be welcoming you to our company and to our back office, to where you're going to be able to access not only your products, but you're also going to be able to get in touch with your coach, okay?
Okay, so he talks about the coach that I just mentioned to you. So if you go to core steps, there are 15 steps that you have to complete. So as you can see, I have completed all my steps, but they are locked at first. And as you complete the steps, so let's say you finish this first step, then you have to make an appointment with your online coach. As you can see, my coach is Andy Benson. And so when I complete the first step, then I get in contact with him. I make an appointment with him. And if I have any questions regarding the course, or what I've just saw in the video, then I can ask him, and he will gladly help me. The coaches are really professional and very helpful. Then if you click on Marketers Club, it's where not all, it's only some of the training videos that you get, like let's say Facebook ads when you're getting started, how to place ads on Facebook, a quick start system, lead generation and tracking, how to track your traffic, leads and sales, YouTube advertising, the fan page formula also for, I think this is for Facebook, Instagram, and a big money blueprint. These courses are amazing, and especially if you get started, they will give you a really good jump start in your business. And then you've got Builder and Leader, Attraction Code, Story Selling Formula, Master of Enrollment, Profitable Presentation. Then Leader, you've got these two. Word, big ideas, bridges, and market awareness, legendary speakers. And as you can see, the time on these courses are it's really in-depth courses, and they will help you to build an awesome online business. And as I said, it's up to you. You can choose to market the system and sell their online products, or you can use it for your own business and just upscale your marketing and become really, really good at what you do. And then Marketplace is if you've got Traffic Rolodex. The Traffic Rolodex is where they give you people that will help you drive traffic to your ads. And then if I go to, it's my account, my coaches, it's your coach's personal details. And then if you click on affiliate, this is where all your information is. Communication is where they can get in contact with you. Payments is they make use of an e-wallet, as you can see here. They make use of an e-wallet. And then, as far as I remember, you get paid every second week, and the money gets paid into your account. Community, they've got an awesome Facebook group. The people on the group are really helpful, really active. If you need any help, you can just ask there. Apart from your online coach and people on Legendary Marketer. And then let's click on links. Links is where you get your capture page. It's where your funnels are, your capture page, your sales page, and then also your checkout page. As I mentioned before, you've got the sales banners. These are the banners that you can use. The video ads, these are some video ads that you can use. Ad copy, and then also the automated email copy, which you can use to send out, but you don't have to use it because Legendary Marketer also sends out the 40-day email sequence. This is only if you have your own SendLane account. You can do it by yourself. If you don't have it, then Legendary Marketer does it for you. And after 45 days, you have in the 45 days, you have to open your own SendLine account, and then all the people that has opt into the system through you, the email information, the contact details will be transferred into your SendLane account because the money is in the list, right? The money is in the email list, and then you can use future, if you want to promote future products, you always have those email addresses to send out to your customers that you have that you got earlier. And then the stats would be okay, this is where your marketing, commission, and payments is. So this is where you can track your leads and also see where your leads are coming from. So let's say, for example, you did an ad on Facebook, and then someone clicked on your ad. Then obviously it will show here. It will show that you someone clicked on your ad, and then someone someone clicked on your ad, and then it came from Facebook. So yeah, this is basically it in a nutshell. I just wanted to share this opportunity with you and tell you that I've never seen a system like this. I've never seen a system where other people make your sales for you, where they make the sales for you, they make your calls for you, they everything is just done for you. It's just amazing, and I would it's literally, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. It's you do 10% and they do 90%. I think this is an awesome opportunity for anyone that's looking for extra income. It's really easy. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the box below. Join me on my journey, and I'm looking forward to get to know you. And I hope this video was helpful. And please give me a thumbs up if you do think it was helpful. And then let me know if there's anything else. And please look out for my future videos. Bye, guys.